one Ford, Delta X-ray 019. This is one Ford at EX019, QSY 510, QSY 510. 1902, Whiskey 601, calling for you, stand by.
Well, hello there YouTube. Conspicuous by my absence. I've been busy. Lots going on. Not going to get onto that here, but what you're looking at here, this is Vincent Talbot's Jackson Classic. And I think this is the first one of these I've had here. Now this came here with no output. I don't know, something had happened, and there was no output anyway, so these have an MRF 455 in them, so I ordered up one of them, threw it into it, and I still no output power. So dumbass here should have checked, I suppose, before we put it in, what was the deal, you know. But long story short, I ended up having to send it down to Ray, because I could get no good of it. And it turns out that these have a little daughter board in the back of them where the final transistor is mounted, and then that is vertically mounted to the back of the radio, and it's soldered onto the pins where you'd normally see a regular TO type package transistor for output. But it was the wrong one, and there could have been, Ray thinks that there's was some breed of a short or something somewhere, and blew the whole lot to Kingdom Home, back as far as the pre-driver, and scorched a couple of resistors and a few other bits and pieces. So she's back now anyway, and it's been a while going on now, this saga. The whole of France is on.
Beh, non è che è sempre che si sente One for Charlie Alpha 001, and the name is Alain. Okay, QSL 29 India radio 46 over.
He's talking to somebody over here. I can't hear them though. It's in decent old nick, and you know, a few age related marks, and the paint wore through on the corners, which is quite common with these older President rigs. So new torque screws all round, and yeah, she came out well. Microphone's a bit dirty, I have to clean that. I don't think that that's the microphone that should have come with it, but it's the one that came here with it anyhow. Works fine. One, two. So I'll put it on the right channel even. 1 2, check 1 2. So we'll put it on the dummy load now, and see what it does. Right, so have it hooked up to the old dummy load there. It's on AM. Now, we mightn't see full output from this because my power supply mightn't be able to drive it fully, but that's AM, so about 7 watts. It was up to about 15. I go to FM. Same story. About 6 or 7 watts. Upper side band. 1 2. So, as I said, with a decent power supply behind it, it'd do a lot more. Like, all the lights in the bench and everything are dim in here. I really must get a decent bench supply. So slower sideband, And go to the bottom of the radio. AM just for handiness. Go to the top of the radio. So all is good. So give her a bit of a clean up there. Some secret sauce, and we have a busca and all for this one. And that's the inserts for it there. So we'll get her boxed up and put away. Right, so boxed up, ready to roll, Vincent. So whenever you're ready, give me a shout, and it's here waiting for you. All the best. We'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.